Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and today we're diving into an important topic that could be blocking your ability to manifest money: negative feelings towards wealthy people. If you've ever caught yourself thinking or saying things like rich people are greedy or I'll never be like them, you might be unknowingly creating resistance to your own financial abundance. But don't worry, I'm here to help you shift your mindset so that you can start attracting more money into your life. So let's dive right in. First, let's take a quick look at the law of attraction. It's the idea that like attracts like. In simple terms, if you're thinking thoughts of abundance, wealth, and success, you're sending out positive energy into the universe. And that energy comes back to you in the form of opportunities, ideas, and even money. But here's the thing. If you have negative thoughts about money or wealthy people, you're sending out the opposite kind of energy. And when you do that, you're effectively blocking the abundance that could be flowing your way. Now let's talk about why hating wealthy people specifically gets in the way of manifesting money. Now, it's natural to have mixed feelings about money or those who have a lot of money, especially when we see wealth used in ways that we don't resonate with. But here's the truth. When you harbor negative feelings or judgment towards others who have what you want, you're creating a divide between yourself and the abundance you're trying to attract. So when you dislike or resent wealthy people, it can come from a place of feeling that there's not enough to go around or that money is bad. But this belief is exactly what keeps you from receiving money. If you think that wealth is only for certain people, or that being rich means you have to be unethical, you're not leaving space for your own success to manifest. So how do you shift this mindset? It all starts with reframing how you see wealthy people. Instead of seeing them as selfish or untouchable, start viewing them as role models for what's possible. Wealthy people, like anyone else, have unique qualities and characteristics that have helped them achieve their success. So recognize that success, wealth, and abundance can take many forms, and it's possible for you too to achieve them in your own way. So instead of comparing and judging, celebrate the wealth of others as a reminder that there's plenty of success, and prosperity in the world for everyone. Here are some practical steps you can take to shift your perspective and start attracting more money into your life. Practice gratitude for the wealth you have. No matter how big or how small, gratitude will always align you with abundance. Reframe your thoughts by saying, wealthy people can teach me how to achieve my dreams, instead of focusing on what's wrong with them. Surround yourself with positive, successful role models, people who uplift you and inspire you to achieve more. Allow the success of others to inspire you. Meditate on abundance and visualize yourself in a state of financial freedom. Imagine what it feels like to have more than enough. The more you practice these shifts, the easier it will become to release negative judgments and attract the wealth you desire. So please remember, hating or resenting wealthy people only blocks your own abundance. By shifting your mindset, focusing on gratitude, and seeing the success of others as inspiration rather than competition, you'll open up the path for money to flow more freely into your life. I hope this video helps you break through any limiting beliefs and start manifesting the financial success you deserve. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start manifesting more money, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who could use a little more abundance into their life. Thanks for watching. Stay magical, and may the wealth flow to you.